Hey, this is Daniel with Casey Splash. I just want to show off our new rig for our fleet this year. We are running a huge system this year, and we're running 3 17-gallon per minute. Not one, not two, but 3 of these machines. Our normal competitors, they're running 10-gallon per minute, 8-gallon per minute. One of these is about the size of 2 of them. So for us, we're making our cleaning more efficient, better, and we can get you cheaper rates than anybody in the country. So for us in KC, we're able to run 34 gallon per minute on the Beast rig. It allows us to do the surface cleaning, back rinsing, and the front spray bar all at once. 3-in-1 combo. So you get faster results. It's even better than any of the competitors, and your property are looking amazing now. So if you need any commercial cleaning, give us a call at 816-274-1516. Take care.